Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Simplify. Today, I'm sure to share an update that will take your productivity to the next level. Either you're a newbie or you've been using Excel for years, these tools will help you to work smarter, not harder. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the latest and greatest Excel features. In Excel, either online or offline, we'll be able to use our data type. Data type connects to live data such as stocks, geography, or currency. And directly in Excel, you will be able to enable dynamic update and richer analysis. We want to look the country. We have Amazon to look into stock, and also we have currency here. Go into data, click on this drop down. You see geography here. Click on that geography, click on show card, and you can see a lot of information about Canada instantly. And this is a live data. If anything change, it's going to change automatically. Let's say you want to see other field. So here you'll be able to see the agricultural land area and so on and so forth. And you can do the same thing for stocks. Go back to data, click on stock. Immediately you are able to see the stock, and when you click on this, you'll be able to see the price of the stock, exchange market. You can see this data. If you want to know more about currency as well, you can click on currency here. Help us to create personalized view of your worksheets without affecting how others see it. This is perfect for collaboration when you are sharing documents with your colleague. This is our data. Working on this data, collaborating with your colleague, and you want to do some analysis on this data. If you are filtering on this, it's going to change the same thing on the sheet that your colleagues are working on. But with this sheet view, when you are filtering on data or you are trying to do some analysis, you can keep this sheet yourself without your colleague that you are collaborating with going to see the same thing. Under the view, we can see the sheet view here. This is showing in default. You can create a sheet view. We have a lot of data here, but let's say you want to be able to filter this down and work on different things. For example, you want to filter, you just want to show products with 50.99. Click OK. This is asking you, is it just for you or with everyone? Click on just for you. Add this to sheet view so that whenever you want to call on this, you can come back to it. I've been able to create one before, higher cash. So let me click on this. Another cool thing about the sheet view is you can also share with others. Just right click anywhere inside the data, copy link to sheet view. So when you click on this, you can easily share this via email or maybe SharePoint. Paste on this and click. This takes you directly to the sheet view. I'm able to add the sheet view to my bookmark, and when you click on it, you will be able to go to that sheet view, and you'll be able to share with anyone that you want to share it with. We have the Tocol function, which converts any range or array into a single column. This is particularly useful when you need to reshare your data or prepare it for analysis. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize your data more effectively. So let me show you how to do that. Equals to Tocol bracket and click the data that you would like to analyze and press enter. This converts your data into different formats, and it can help you to analyze your data easily if you want to analyze it in this way. This helps you to quickly rearrange data in your spreadsheet by dragging and dropping cell, rows or columns with ease. This is a new cool feature from Excel. If you go to Excel Online, you can easily drag your data from one column to another. For example, we want to bring the date from the C to the end of this data. So if you click on the date data, you can see the 6 dots above there. Make sure the cursor is on it to show and once it shows that, it's ready to be moved. Press down the left button and drag all the way to where you want it to drop this far. We can see the green line right there, which is showing where exactly we have to drop this. So when I leave this right now, it's going to drop it between quantity and purchase price. And right here, this is where we have it. But let's say I want to move it to the end of the button. So you go back there and you can drag all the way to where you want it to be. We can do the same thing for the row as well. So just click on where you want to drop that and put it down. This feature is not ready in desktop version, but there's another way we can actually achieve this. Press the shift button, make sure your cursor is on this line, and you can drag all the way to where you want to drop this. As you can see, the green line as well. So just drop it there and the price comes to the end of this column. And we can do the same thing for the row as well. So just press the shift and drag to exactly where you want it to be. Status bar calculation instantly view sum, average, and other key calculations in status bar without writing any formula. So to do that, just click on the data you want to see the sum for. For example, we want to see this. Go to your status bar. We can easily see the average here, the count of how many data we selected, and also the sum of the data we selected. We can quickly see this here.